Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do battery percentage settings in our phone Moto G04. See here, this is battery icon. Okay, battery icon will be shown in this status bar of our phone, but percentage is not showing here. If you want to do battery percentage settings here, that is, if you want to show battery percentage near battery icon, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of our phone here, then go to battery, and here select battery percentage. Just turn on this button, battery percentage, so that battery percentage will be showing near the battery. See here, 49% is as of now showing in my phone. Okay, so how much percentage your phone has, that percentage will be showing here near the battery icon in the status bar of our phone. In this way, you can easily do battery percentage settings in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.